Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you home theater enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the Polk Audio T15 100-watt home theater bookshelf speakers. And spoiler alert, they might just be the best speakers for your theater room. The Polk Audio T15 speakers are designed to take your home theater experience to the next level. These bookshelf speakers are packed with features that deliver immersive sound and exceptional performance. Let's dive into what makes them so great. First off, these speakers boast a 0.75 tweeter and a 5.25 dynamic balance driver, utilizing Polk's proprietary technology. What does that mean for you? It means you'll get a natural, well-balanced sound with deep, impressive bass, even at the lowest frequencies. These speakers are incredibly versatile. You can use them as front, left-right setup, surrounds, or as rear speakers. The detailed audio with crystal-clear vocals will fill any small to medium-sized room and make your movie nights truly immersive. Looking to create a full-fledged 5.1 home theater setup? The Polk T15s are part of the T-Series speakers from Polk. And you can pair them with other T-Series components like the T50 tower speakers, T30 center channel, and a subwoofer for a complete and captivating theater experience. One of the great things about Polk speakers is their compatibility with most home theater AV receivers. Whether you're setting up a 2.0, 2.1, 3.1 system, or going all out with a 5.1, 7.1, or 9.1 setup, these speakers will fit right in. And let's not forget about the price. Polk Audio offers unmatched quality at an affordable price point. You get premium acoustics, high-quality construction, easy setup, and a spectacular theater experience right at home, without breaking the bank. Now, it's worth noting that these speakers are designed for use in the US. So if you're watching this from outside the US, you may need an adapter or converter to use them in your region. In summary, the Polk Audio T15 100-watt home theater bookshelf speakers are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home theater setup. With impressive sound quality, versatility, and affordability, these speakers truly stand out. That's all for today's product showcase. If you're interested in getting your hands on these speakers, check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations on top-notch products. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.